perfect weather for trying out a limited slip diff. New tyres, Kumho Ecsta PS91s, racing brake fluid, ATE Type 200, and a new set of brake pads. So got some things to discover. Let's go. Oh, bit of wheel spin already. Right, where's the grip?
Well, there are dryish patches, isn't it? There's no standing water or anything, so...
No, it's just damp. Well, someone's been off there today. Okay, well, full bore in fourth isn't going to break traction. Oh, don't
there, yeah, so...
Give that a wide berth.
I mean, if anyone's trying to overtake...
Yeah.
Although saying that, obviously the slower car should go that side anyway.
Right, so I'm in fourth. No, I'm not. I'm in fifth.
Yes. Yeah, it's deceptive. It looks dry, but you can see that it's not.
No, I'm not about to start giving it too much throttle mid-corner. Not until I get the wheel straight. Can you hear the front going there?
It's not in any hurry, is he? There you go.
He's welcome to it.
Thing will definitely spank you if you get it wrong.
Oh, that will, yeah. All that weight at the back. First time I've driven a wet circuit for 8 years. Oh, wrong foot on the pedal. Okay, so we're okay in third in a straight line. Foot. I'll stop that. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Release. Tyres feel okay so far, but then I've not really done anything.
No.
I can just hear the fronts going again. Ooh, do you feel that?
Yeah. Obviously you got to generate some heat.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, they're still properly cold, aren't they? Oh, can you imagine if I gave it a bootful here? Yeah, I'm not confident. Or hearing understeer.
everyone apart from that Porsche is being the same as you.
Yeah,
you know,
I can't see anyone else.
Not too
that
sure
Porsche,
of themselves.
That Porsche driver had a pair, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, he can drive the track for us. This might just lock in fourth gear in the wet. I'm not 100% that the back's going to stay where I want it.
Bone dry.
It does, doesn't it?
No, it bloody isn't, but
no,
it looks
I'm not
dry.
about to start putting my faith in it just yet.
Oh, you're close to that grass.
Sorry. I know I catch
Which
you
is
out
fine,
of
we're on a straight. Obviously,
yeah.
there's no inputs.
So oh yeah, no, I'm not. I can't go full bore around there. Any steering input in the wet,
Yeah.
it's just going to go. And this is slippery on the way here when it's dry into this one. See, I was thinking, I had visions of having a nice slide all the way around here.
Yeah, but
no.
Is it going to
No,
be nice?
I'm not gonna
then
do
you clip
that.
the grass, mate, then you're just a passenger.
No, I know.
Which would be great if the grass went on for a couple of 100 yards, but it doesn't. That's the Mustang. Yeah, but that, yeah.
I'm starting to trust this
Definitely wouldn't be
bit
putting your foot down in that thing.
unless you give it a major lift, and he has, good man. Oh, that's 90. That's like 30 miles an hour slower than I go through there in the dry. And on a good one, I turn into here at about 95, and look at that, 65.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel. Okay, so on the Kumho PS91s, I'm getting a bit of understeer that I've never had before on the PS4s. I kind of feel it, it's just there.
Well, remember, it's also wet as well.
Yeah, I know.
So
I think if I had the balls
you've got
with
to
the
compare
throttle,
like for like.
yeah, I think if I had the balls with the throttle, I'd be able to neutralise it a bit by just, you know,
Yeah.
steering with the back. So I think that's how the cars are set up. Before anyone says it, clearly in my Focus RS, I'd be quicker,
Well, yeah.
without question. And Mr. GTR is coming up on me now, if that's a burgundy thing I could see
Well,
behind me.
makes sense.
Well, yeah.
Four-wheel drive.
No,
yeah.
it is. Yeah, I was chatting to him this morning. Really nice chap. Okay, so we're okay getting speed off. We've got some temperature in the tyres now, although the rears are still 10 below the fronts.
So they're noisy, aren't
Yeah,
they?
you
When
can
they
hear
turn
it.
the
You
turn.
can hear it. Well,
Yeah.
that's the front. I think just understeering a little bit. Just let him go. So he's Litchfield Stage 1. He said he's about, I think, about 650 horsepower. So if that's the only thing that passes me. Oh no, that's not, is it though? Because that Porsche.
Thing is, though, you got to think, you know, how much electronics has he got helping him?
Wow, yeah.
Because obviously in those things they are basically a computer on
yeah.
wheels, aren't they? Because obviously that's how they're designed to be, so that you
Yes.
can just floor it.
Right, kind of
and
like
the car
the
just does
RS,
it.
just safety there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, don't think
Right,
I'm setting any lap records, that's
No.
all right. Okay.
You're getting a feel for it.
Mm.
Obviously, like you say, you got new tyres. It's wet conditions.
New tyres, new pads, but that's no different. Fluid, that's no different. The pedals stay there for me, or it should do, but I doubt I'm going to end up working them
No.
that hard. It's the tyres, yeah.
Because you
Bit of
don't know how
an
they
unknown.
act.
Bit of an unknown.
Yeah, because obviously they're new sets. You've never had these tyres before, or you've never used them for this sort of work before.
Like I say, I felt
And
them,
of course,
I
wet.
felt them in Reg's car, so I kind of know how good they can be. But this isn't the ideal day to learn on. It'd be interesting to drive it with traction on and see how much quicker I am. I wonder. But you see, traction control being on doesn't stop you spinning if you've got enough
No,
momentum.
exactly, mate. Yeah.
And it is reactive as well. I mean, on the road, it does kind of feel like it thinks ahead, but you can get quite a bit of movement from it.
Yeah, I was fine with that one, mate, because obviously
Yeah, it was
so
very
much
sedate,
slower. It's
wasn't
like,
it?
yeah, that's fine. I can
Very
drive that all
sedate.
day, no problem. Yeah, there was no pushing into the footwell that time.
How was it?
It's horrible. No, it's been so long since I've driven a wet track day.
Yeah. What's the grip like?
Because I've got everything turned off,
Yeah.
I'm not overly keen to find out.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling a little bit of understeer, but these are new tyres, they've barely done 100 miles.